family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I will be using the new Lunar Beauty Moon Prism powder in the shade Venus. So if you guys want to see this baby in action, make sure you keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm hoping that today's look is gonna come out cute. I have this vision in my head. I just don't know if I'll look cute with it, but we'll see. Using the He Who Must Not Be Named palette, we are going to go into this yellow shade and put it all over our lid. So first I'm going to be packing it on, and now I'm starting to blend it upwards. That color is looking a little patchy, so I'm going to go into the Juvias Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to use this yellow. So now going into foundation, I'm using the Lunar Beauty Say What foundation in the shade Honey Honey T2W. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. So now to set, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery Flower Better Not Bitter Yellow Setting Powder. Alright, so now that we're looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost, we're going to line our waterline with some black pencil. So now grabbing more of that yellow from the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, we're going to blend that out. Oh, by the way, I did set the liner on my waterline with some black shadow off camera. Oh, and I would definitely recommend this brush for doing your lower lash line eyeshadow. It does not have a number, but I think this is a crown brush. Now we're going to contour using the Kat Von D Shading Light Contour Palette. I'm going to be using these two shades. I'm going to bronze with the NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. So now for blush, I'm going to use Sex on Fire by Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to spray my face with the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. So now for the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm so excited to try this out. I have not used it. I used it on my mom the other day and like her cheekbones were just beaming. So I'm going to show you guys some clips of the packaging and a swatch so you guys can get a better look at it, because I know sometimes my lighting can be very aggressive. Honestly, this is the most beautiful and unique packaging I have ever seen any brand do. It comes apart like this. Actually, it's a little moon right there. But anyways, yeah, it comes apart like this. Then when you take it out, it does look like you've got a piece of the moon, like Manny said. How stunning. It's so unique and so beautiful. So without further ado, let's try this out. Oh, I think I forgot to mention, this is the shade Venus. Wow. This is so beautiful and blinding. Honestly, a little goes a long way. Yo, I look like a glazed donut. The main reason I got this highlighter was because I saw I Love Saray use it, and she had said that this was, whoa, the most blinding highlighter she had used in a long time. So I had to see for myself. And she did not lie. I'm also going to use this to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. You guys know I always put highlighter on my forehead and on my chin in all my videos, but they're never this blinding. Wow. I'm gonna go in with the Colors Desi Katy collab lipstick. This is the shade My Main, and I did line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Brown Sugar Lip Liner. Don't forget to set your face. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. So that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.